प्रमाण ये है कि रिया चक्रवर्ती के व्हाट्सएप कन्वर्सेशन मेरे पास है। अरे रिया चक्रवर्ती बोलती है ड्रग दो, ड्रग दो, ड्रग दो, ड्रग दो, ड्रग दो, मुझे ड्रग दो, मुझे ड्रग्स दो। वो कहती है मुझे ड्रग दो, मेरे लिए गांजा लाओ, चरस लाओ, एमडीएमए लाओ, एक्सटेसी लाओ।
Out of 180 countries in the world, India stands at rank 142 in terms of media and news channels. आज हम इस वीडियो में बात करने वाले हैं इंडियन मीडिया के कुछ घिनौने, बिकाऊ और काले सच्चाई के बारे में। फेक न्यूज, propagandas, biased opinions, all for the sake of one thing, and that is TRP. We are also going to talk about how you and me can change this forever. आज से 15-20 साल पहले we had just about two sources for news. द रेडियो एंड द दूरदर्शन टीवी, जहां पे न्यूज कुछ इस प्रकार की दिखाई जाती थी।
दोनों सदनों में स्वाधीनता संग्राम के दौरान अपने प्राण न्यौछावर करने वाले शहीदों की याद में 2 मिनट का मौन रखा गया।
जानी मानी स्वाधीनता सेनानी और सामाजिक कार्यकर्ता श्रीमती अरुणा आसफ अली को 1991 के लिए अंतर्राष्ट्रीय सद्भाव का
But in the later part of the first decade of the 2000 came in a flood of news channels. Aaj Tak, India Today, News 18, India TV, ZTV, Republic TV, NDTV and a lot more. And today I guess we have about 892 news channels all over India. With the launch of so many news channels in India, there came in competition, or more precisely the competition for TRP. और आज इस TRP के पीछे हालात कुछ इस प्रकार के हैं।
नमस्कार, मैं हूं दीपक चौरसिया। पहले भी आपके सामने हाजिर हो चुका हूं और आपको ये बता चुका हूं कि आखिर मैं इन कपड़ों में क्यों हूं। मैं समझने की कोशिश कर रहा हूं कि चांद पर जब पहला आदमी बस्ती बनाने के लिए उतरेगा तो कैसा माहौल होगा, और इसीलिए मैं आपको इस गेटअप में दिखाई दे रहा हूं। आज स्पेस सूट में मुझे देखकर शायद आप चौंक गए होंगे। ब्रेक से पहले मैंने आपको बताया था कि इस ड्रेसअप में मैं क्यों हूं।
TRP और टेलीविजन रेटिंग पॉइंट. Just like we have watch time and views in YouTube and X videos, in the same way we have TRP in TV channels. If a channel is doing well, it's getting a lot of watch time, it's getting a lot of views, then the channel is gaining more TRP. And more TRP means more brands, and those brands will pay them higher money for the ads they show between the news. Okay, so the calculation of TRP is a very interesting process. In India, there are 44,000 homes and no one knows which homes they are, or no one knows which TVs they are. वो आपके भी घर में हो सकता है. Okay, so in India there are 44,000 homes, and in those 44,000 TVs there is a frequency meter set up, and each and every channel has their own frequency, and when you click on a channel and watch it for some time, that frequency is recorded in an organization that is called BARC, Bureau of Broadcast Audience Research Council, and all of these homes are from different places, from different states and from different socio-economic backgrounds. And at the end of the month, this BARC publishes the TRP of each and every Indian channel on its website. In the last few years, Indian news channels have done some notorious shit for the sake of TRP. They have sold their pride, honor, honesty, everything for the sake of this one single thing. And not only news channels, there are also other channels which does some very awful things for the sake of this TRP. Now let's have a look at what are the ways to gain more and more TRP for a channel. There are some good and ethical ways to work on your TRP, such as better video quality, better sound quality. If you are news channels, go to the spot first and report the exclusive report that no one else can do in the first place. But the Indian news and media channels have completely forgotten that there is some ethical way to gain TRP. Number one is, just like we have clickbaits in YouTube, news channels does the same thing. कोई भी एक हॉट टॉपिक पकड़ के उसी टॉपिक पे अपने न्यूज चैनल को 24 आवर्स चलाना, ignoring all the other important factors that we as a citizen need to know. Literally playing with the emotions of people and using those emotions to earn money for their channel. For an example, in the last 3 or 4 months, whenever I turn on my TV and there's Republic TV in front of me, 24 hours, 24/7, they run their news channel on the topic of the death of Sushant Singh Rajput. Talk shows, theories, this and that. I mean, I'm sad that Sushant Singh Rajput died, but there are also other important things that's going on in the country, like the fall of GDP and a lot more things, the death of farmers, and there are a lot more topics that a news channel can cover. Number 2 is spreading fake news and giving extreme opinions for the sake of attention. Now, how do extreme opinions play a role in gaining more TRP? Let's say, for an example, tomorrow I post on my Facebook, Happy Women's Day, kudos to all the women who are working and earning their own bread. About 100 or 200 people will come to my page, like my post and then leave. But on the other hand, if I post on my Facebook, Happy Women's Day, but to be honest, I think that women don't deserve to step out of their homes, and the only purpose they are alive because is to serve men by cooking for them and lick their feet after marriage. Then I might be termed as a jerk or a chauvinist or misogynist, vagera vagera. But at the end of the day, those 200 people will come to my post, and not only they will comment on my post, they will also share my post to their friends, which will again comment on my post, and in this way I'm gaining more and more popularity. In this process, I might be losing my respect and dignity and a lot of other things, but at the end of the day I'm gaining more popularity, more fame, more attention, and finally more TRP, which will bring me more brands, which will bring me more money. That's the game. Other than TRP, there are also other reasons like biased opinions to favor their political agenda. I think more than 50% of Indian news channels are sold out to at least one of the political parties that's presently in India, and which is not such a great thing. I think at the end of the day, in a country like India where most of the news channels are either sold off or running just behind TRP, I think the best option is, even if we cannot change what's going on, we can at least choose to avoid them. But if you are someone who's really interested in knowing what's going on in the country, then I would suggest that internet is a far better place than the media channels. And even if you go for the media channels, don't just make your opinion based upon what you see in just one channel. Go through 5 or 6 channels, then have a mixed opinion and then form your basis of belief. For me, I just need to know कि किसका मर्डर हुआ, किसने सुसाइड किया, कहाँ पे बम ब्लास्ट हुआ, कितने लोग मरे, कितने लोग घायल हुए. That's it. I don't need to know कि इस दिल दहला देने वाले हादसे के बारे में हमारे स्टूडियो में मौजूद वशिष्ठ नेता गुंडा यादव क्या कहना चाहेंगे. So basically that's it for today. Till the next time, goodbye, stay safe, love you all.